Good morning. We have docked in Nassau Bahamas and we are making our way over to the port. We are joined by, I'm not sure which ship, but a ship from MSC.
It's a Seashore. Seashore. MSC Seashore,
okay.
yeah.
And then as well as what looks like the Virgin Scarlet Lady. So it's a busy day today in Nassau.
Yeah, the weather's similarly to yesterday, mid-70s. It's really
Sunny
nice.
and 75.
Water is freakishly blue in the Bahamas. But we won't be going into the water today.
Nope.
Just going to be walking around.
Being heading back to the ship.
Pretty much being typical tourists today, huh?
Yeah.
We got these guys putting down some new paver systems on the dock here. I don't think they believe in safety because one guy's not wearing a hard hat. Got these guys here forming up some walls. So they're actually right up against the walkway coming off the port for all the cruise ships dock, and we're really close. And you see there's 3 cruise ships: the MSC, Virgin, and the Mariner of the Seas. So really close. More work over here. Looks like a sand pit. And then we finally get into the end of the port. Looks like these guys are running the fire line. You kind of can see it a little bit over there. So that's pretty neat. So interestingly, obviously we're on an island, so a lot of the fill is just sand. Here's that a lot of this is just all conduit, like an electrical duct bank that's sitting on top of a little port area.
So we're back at the ship. We were only at the port for about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. Just didn't really find anything that suited us. A lot of stuff was closed, I assume, due to the current situation. And it's just, I don't know. It's not a place to go if you don't have a plan. So
it's a different vibe. A lot of hustlers.
Yeah.
And they weren't too pushy like some other places, but just a lot of hustling for hair braiding and tourist taxis and all that type of thing. So
if you have an excursion set up, or if you have a plan, I'm sure you have a different experience. But us going without a plan, like, I thought that somebody at least had a geographic situation, but
no plan.
We went in
Just
and
go.
We were completely blank, and it was a little eye-opening.
Well, I mean, I would have liked to do the Atlantis excursion, but that's not going on right now, so that would have been fun. But
well, none of the excursions that were offered really suited us.
There wasn't too much going on, so. But maybe in the future.
Back at the ship, and sure we'll find a sunny place to sit and enjoy the rest of the day.
And just take advantage of the cruise ship.
Yep.
Laying around on the pool deck, watching a movie. Not really sure yet what movie we're watching. Looks like some football movie up there. A little bit of an obstruction in the way, but just we'll relax here for a little while.
Yeah.
Get a drink, maybe.
Yeah, it's already 11:15.
Probably gonna want to eat lunch soon.
Get pizza.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we haven't tried the pizza yet, so we need to get that. But
there's hot dogs too. I don't know
there's a hot dog bar.
It's right there. I don't know if they can do gluten-free, but
I don't know.
Well, I know they can do gluten-free, but just might not have a bun.
That'll just be the wiener.
Trying to see. Oh, there's a Flow Rider advanced session.
Oh, that's cool.
Trying to see what the name of the movie is.
I'm not sure.
American Underdog.
Oh. I just don't know how far into the movie we're at, but
Let's see, it started at 10.
So it's nearly over. We're watching the end of the movie. That's okay.
We'll let you know how it ends.
He'll be over soon. But we're right next to the hot tub, so might go in there.
Yeah.
Maybe. Or move.
Yeah.
But right now, just chilling.
You want gluten-free pizza?
Yeah. Which kind is that?
Pepperoni, please.
They found the pepperoni. Enjoy.
So we're at Sorrento's. Is that what this place is called?
I was waiting on you because I'm not sure.
What is this place called? Cafe Promenade. We're in the Promenade, deck 5.
We have to special order 2 pizzas. One
Yeah.
gluten-free, the other one no cheese. So.
So Claire has a gluten-free, and then I have one without cheese. So we'll see how these taste.
It's good.
It's good?
I like it. It's like a flatbread tasting. It's really good.
Pizza without cheese is kind of lame, but let's see. It's really not that bad. It's probably one of the best cheeseless pizzas I've ever had. All right, we're gonna enjoy these. They have these wash stations that are pretty cool before you get into the Windjammer. There's one on this side, and then they have some on the other side as well. So, very convenient. So we finished our pizza at the Cafe Promenade and decided we wanted some fries. So, we got fries, hot dog, gluten-free bun. Shit, they also gave her a gluten-free
I know, I'm not sure about that.
hamburger bun too, but no patty in there. That's kind of
I
funny.
didn't ask for one.
Yeah, tried to, but nope. Fries. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy these fries with a nice little view. Got Atlantis all the way down out there. Let's see. But nope, nice view right in the Windjammer next to the windows. We are ready for what is tonight? Formal night.
Formal night.
Formal night. So look at this. Looks good. Yeah. But check this out. You got a blue suit on with white shoes. Huh? How's that work? I don't know. Let me know. Comment down below. Wearing some white Converse. So.
It's time to eat.
It's time to eat.
I already ordered since gluten-free people get to order the night before.
Oh, that's right. So we were able to look at the menu the night before, and I got to pick out, but I didn't get to order.
Yeah.
So they're supposed to have Claire's meal ready.
I got to pick anything. They'll make anything for me from the menu.
So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
On our way down.
We just finished up our dinner, which was a little bit extended because our waiter decided to give us a bit of a magic show. So that was interesting.
Yeah, it was definitely interesting.
But now that we are done with dinner, we are going to head back to the Schooner Bar, grab the
Fourth of 10. I don't even know how many he said he was going to make us of the different martinis that he makes.
And then
Albertini. Yeah.
And then we will head to the 8 o'clock reservation for the ice show.
Yep. I don't know. Is there a specific thing that they're trying to do today?
For the
ice show? Yeah.
It's big tops, so it might be kind of like a circus.
Okay. Cool. But off to number 4, whatever that's going to be. Surprise.
Enjoy.
French 75.
Cheers.
Thank you. How is it?
It's different.
Different?
I think it's just that champagne that I don't like.
Yeah, the Chandon. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of it.
Yeah.
But,
I think that's what's been throwing me off on some of these drinks.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll drink it.
That was a little low. Lychee.
Thank you.
You done with this, Mike?
Yeah, I'm done. Thanks, Ferdy.
You're welcome, Mike.
Lychee Martini. That's good?
That's good. That's very good.
We left the Schooner Bar because we're going to the ice show. What is it called again?
Ice under the big top?
Yeah, ice under the big top. So we got a ice show that we have at 8 o'clock. So when we left the Schooner Bar, the first drink was the French 75, which was
Hennessy, some kind of a...
No, it had I don't know.
A flavored liqueur, maybe.
Raspberry.
And champagne.
And Ferdy, one of the bartenders there, not the one that made the drink, we joked with him, said that we would take it out of the video, and no, I told him we would provide some honest feedback, and it wasn't that great.
I think, and we're kind of snobs when it comes to wine, but
the Chandon.
I do think that the champagne that was used just kind of
mediocre.
Yeah, because it was a similar flavor to that champagne cocktail that we had. And the champagne, I prefer the champagne cocktail over the French 75, but it was a similar flavor between the two that didn't sit well with me.
So it was not that great. But we asked them to make a lychee martini. We basically just modified what they had on the menu, and it was probably
awesome.
The best lychee martini we've ever had.
It was delicious.
Sorry, Sushi Hana. You're still our favorite, but this lychee martini was very good. So I'm glad we had that. So we'll be back at the Schooner Bar a little bit later after the ice show. Our other bartender Albert was there, so we need to continue on our Albertini quest or tour. So but those guys are great. Mariner of the Seas, Albert, and Ferdy at the Schooner Bar. Awesome.
Great.
Awesome guys. Just funny Filipinos. So just like there's so many other Filipino staff members on this cruise ship. But off to the ice show.
got out of Ice Under the Big Top. It was very theatrical. Very impressive performers, especially on a moving ship. So,
Yeah, and we're moving.
Yeah.
Because we're outside right now and we're definitely moving.
So we are en route back to Port Canaveral with the sea day tomorrow.
So Albert hooked us up with number 4 out of 9. Not really sure what it is.
Don't know.
But it's blue. And it's very good. All of them have been very good that he's been fixing us up with, so it's been pretty good. He says we have 5 more. And but we have till tomorrow to finish that.
Yeah.
It's Albert over there, and then Freddie. Those guys have been, sorry, not Ferdy. Actually, it is Ferdy, not Freddie, Ferdy. Those 2 Filipinos have been hooking us up. Here comes number 6 with Albert. Albert's hooking it up. Number 6. Yeah. That was number 6. You don't know yet?
It's good. I don't know what it is. It's good.
So we had a few drinks at the Schooner Bar. Met some good people. Couple from Kentucky. Shout out to you guys. You guys are freaking awesome. And then I can't remember the name. Ashton, I remember.
And Sarah Ann, I believe.
Yeah? You guys are crazy. Love you guys. And then we also met Ann and Dan. Yeah. That one's a little bit easier to remember. So we took a bunch of shots with them. I wouldn't say a bunch, 2.
2.
But Albert again hooked us up. Hooked us up with some shots. Got to take them with these fools. They're good people, good vibe. And then, yeah, so glad we got to meet you guys. You guys had a lot of fun. Then we went to the karaoke.
Yep.
Adult karaoke.
That's good.
There were some pretty good acts there.
Some good singers and some brave souls.
Yeah, the brave souls made it funny
Yeah.
though. So it was a good time.
And now we are in the main theater waiting for the adult comedy.
Was it Dan Gray?
I believe so.
So yeah, he was funny the other night. So high expectations on the adult version of this comedian. So hopefully he's funny. It's late. It's late for us though.
It is.
So I think it'll be a good time though.
So we finished the adult comedy, which was
Hilarious.
Embarrassingly hilarious. We had made it back to the cabin to close up the night. It was a great day.
Yeah, we had a lot going on today. Met a lot of you guys, those that we met at the Schooner Bar, and then the ones that we met at the adult comedy at the main theater. You guys are awesome, so shout out to you guys. But tomorrow's a sea day.
The best
day. A lot of relaxing. Actually, a lot of things on the schedule that we're looking at. A lot of random things.
Packed, yeah.
So, but it looks like a lot of fun. Again, just another day to chill outside by the pool and do absolutely nothing.
Woohoo!
So, with that, good night. Catch you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
See ya.